Well, I'm Rajneesh. I'm here on the lecture 24th, Literature Reader, Class 8, and the chapter 3rd. Chapter 3rd is basically a story. We will discuss it. Actually, the last leaf, the name of the chapter is The Last Leaf, and the William Sidney Potter. About the author, we will know it. Come. Please sit down. Please sit down. Here. About the author. Sidney William Sidney Potter, 1862 to the 1910, known for his the pen name O. Henry, was the American short story writer. O. Henry worked as a cook, chemist, bank cashier, and columnist among the many things. He has the famous for the works include Cabbage and King. He is the first collection of the short story followed by the 4 millions. Some of the most famous stories are the Gift of a Maggie, the Ransom of the Red Chief, the Cop and the Anthem, and Retrieved Deformation and the Caballero's Ways. O. Henry short story are the famous for a surprise ending and unexpected twist in a tale. I would like to inform you, Mr. O. Henry is a very famous writer, and his pen name, as you know, is the William Sidney Potter. The best part of this writer that his ending of the story is very twisted, very unpredictable. You cannot, it is not like the Bollywood cinema that the hero will win finally and the villain will be killed and the beaten by the hero. There is nothing like so. It he is a very surprising. His story is very surprising, twisted ending. He has written here a very wonderful short story, and that is The Last Leaf. He is also called the master of a short story, O. Henry or William Sidney Potter. Here I am starting. The last story. In a little district west of the Washington Square, the street from the peculiar little angle and the curves. Basically, this story has been taken from the American background. There is a square, Washington Square, and little district, and this Washington Square is well set in the little district of the west, and a street of the peculiar little angles and the curves. The window are the north facing, and the house were having the of 18th century gables and the Dutch attic. Actually, the construction of the house of that particular area was very much influenced with the gables. Gables means something like the triangular shape of a home. And Dutch attic. Dutch attic means there must be a window above and just below to the normal size of the home, and the low rents and the conducive of the good painting. And this house was the full of the very good painting, so quaint. Old Greenwich village become a center for the artists and the musicians and the designers to live there in the artistic harmony, because this area is the so much in a old traditional and stylish fashion that generally the art lover of the literature, musicians, artists, designers have had the very good center of the gravity for this area. At the top of the squatly three-storied bricks house. Actually, the building was of the very short, and it was of the brick house. Sue and the Johnsy, two struggling artists. In that particular area, there is a two name of the artists, Sue and the Johnsy, were the struggling artists, had set up a joint studio Shuana and Johanna shared the same taste of the art, among other things. So, congenial joint efforts ensued in the May. In the month of May, because this area was a very much important for the artist, so the two girls, Johnsy and the Sui, have the both has a great taste in the art. They had the same liking. That's why they shared a room in that particular area, and just they want to live in a harmony. But in the month of the November, it was so cold and the damp that the pneumonia stalked here and there. In the month of the pneumonia, the cold and the damp was the observed by the localite, and the pneumonia crept in that particular area and touching one here and there. And his the icy finger, and the soon the Johnsy had caught too, and she lay. In the meantime, the pneumonia arrested badly Johnsy, and resultants lay down scarcely doing something, and on her paint iron bedsheet, looking through the window at the blank side of the next brick house, because the rest is a very important medication and the diagnosis of a doctor. That why she was on a bed rest, and she was sneering other window other from this side. One morning the busy doctor told Sui Johnsy had one chance in a 10% of the surviving this. Actually, doctor advised, and one chance for her to want to live. Doctor has a very less faith in the life for the life and for the being a well-being of the patient. It appears that she has made up her mind that she is not going to well, because the patient who is the pneumatic, he is the very much confident, I will not get out of this situation, I will do all that science and the medicine can accomplish. But whenever my patient begins to count the carriage in her the funeral procession, I subtract 50% from the curative power of the medicine. The doctor was in this opinion, my science, my medication, my knowledge will fit for the 50%, but the rest of the 50%, that is the confidence and that is the curative power of this pneumonia. So, after the doctor had gone, the Sui who cared deeply for the Johnsy, it was the Sui who was the taking care of the Johnsy, went into the works room and wept her heart out, and she was the weeping very bitterly. Then she swaggered into the Johnsy room with her the drawing board, and pretending that everything was the okay, and began to sketch. Actually, when she went there, she did the acting that the thing is the all right, and she was doing a pen and the ink drawing to illustrate the magazine story, because both were of in the same liking, both were of the artistic taste. So the struggling young artist cannot paint masterpiece, because in the fashion or in the paint or in the art, the masterpiece is a very rare and the wonderful thing, and both are basically a struggler all the time, and they need to draw the picture from a magazine story that other struggling young writers write, all in the order to survive till the great masterpiece painted or published. Both are trying to be to form to formate to calibrate the masterpiece, but nothing like is happening. As the Sue was the sketching, in the meantime, Sue was the busy in her work. She heard a low sound repeated several times. In the meantime, the Sue heard some unwanted sound of the moaning several times. She went in the bedside and found that the Jonesy's eye were the wide open. She found that the Jonesy's eye were very openly, and she was the looking out the window and the counting backwards 12. She said, then little later 11, then 10, then 9, then 8 and 7 almost together. These all the things, and these were the example of the low confidence during the pneumonia, and actually Shui perceived and observed Jonesy's mind. Sui looked out the window, But what was there to count? There was only a bare, drenchy yard to see. There was a dull depression well set in the mind of the Johnsy, and the black side of the bricks house was the 20 feet away, and the second house was the far from the 20 feet and old, and the very ivy green gilded and declined in the roots and climbed halfway up to the brick wall. In that very particular area, the old ivy vine, it is basically a tree, ठीक है, that is of the very twisted knot and was coming and the approaching in the sight in the vision of a Johnsy and climbed halfway up to the brick walk. The cold breath of the autumn has stricken its leaves from the vine until its skeleton branches clung, because it is a month of the autumn, so the leaves are the getting and the falling very fastly, and almost were two crumbling bricks, and actually the number of the bricks was the very less. And now what is dear? Asked Sui. Sui in the meantime put up a question. Johnson whispered, there are the falling faster now. ठीक है, and there are only 5 left now. The leaves are of the ivy vine. When the last leaf falls, I must go too. See, actually, the Johnsy herself relating her life with in accordance with the life of the falling tree of the ivy tree. What nonsense, he explained Sui. Sui put up and made a very clear that whatever you are thinking, that is a completely nonsense. What have the old ivy leaves got to do with your getting well? How the leaf is related to your health, and why the doctor told me just this moving that your chances for the falling well soon were 10-1, and try to have the some soup now. In the meantime, I am going to prepare soup for now. There goes another one number. I don't want to any soup that leaves for. I want to see last till fall. We gets dark it, and then I will go. Again, the Johnson is saying that there is the 4 leaves are left there. I shall wait here for the last leaf. Johnsy dear, try to Johnsy dear. Sui actually commanded his word and put up before the Johnsy, and dear tried to sleep, said Sui, but Johnsy was past hearing. I am tired of the waiting, I am tired of the thinking. I want to turn loose my hold for the everything and the go sailing down, and just like one those poor tired leaf. Actually, I have become a very much tired of the sea. These all the activities of the leaf is the getting every day down, and I am relating this life of the leaves with my lives. Try to rest, dear, said Sui. I must call Thike Behram up to be my model for the old hermit miner. I will not be gone for a minute. ठीक है? He told that the Behram is a great artist who lives in that particular apartment, that particular area. ठीक है? And he is a very smart enough as the Sui thought, and he confirmed the Johnsy. Wait a while, I am going there. This is a very classic and the emotional story, and this is basically a story of a apprehension, and as well as it is also a very classic story of a confidence. So this is also a very good story for a real friendship between the Shui and the Johnsy, and the one character is also there, that is the Bera. The writer is the wonderful. I know that you might have been understand these all the things. In the meantime, be in home, stay safely, and go for the study. Thank you.